Hi, this is Brian from Transwest Buick GMC, here today with this 2019 Sierra 1500 SLT Black Widow Edition. This is a big truck. The Black Widow package, you do get quite a bit. I will go over that as we walk around the vehicle. Just starting off though, as you can see, the SLT, you have your chrome bumpers. You do have your front and rear parking sensors on this one. New body style still. Or newer since they came out with the refreshed edition, but still a beautiful, great looking truck. You have your IntelliBeams here with your daytime running lights in the C shape, the classic GMC. So automatic high beams, everything like that. Your chrome grille, just to kind of keep going along with the chrome aspect of the truck with the bumper, and then also your chrome bezels around the fog lights. The first thing that you probably noticed just walking up to the truck is it's lifted and you have some bigger wheels and tires. It is a 6-inch lift from Black Widow. It's a SCA lift, and then you also do get the Black Widow Special Edition wheels here. They are 35-inch, and then you also do get your fender flares with that package as well. This truck does have the biggest engine option, the 6.2 liter, so it does have plenty of power to turn those bigger wheels, since they do weigh a little bit more than, say, what the standard option wheels would. You do still just have your standard mirrors on it. They don't change anything there, but you do get their Black Widow running boards as well. The truck is equipped with keyless entry, so right now it's locked, but if you push the button right on the side here, it will open up the entire truck for you. Coming back, they do have these brake caliper covers on front and rear. They're not different brake calipers, they're just painted, or not painted, sorry, just covers to make it look much better and look like it has bigger brake calipers. You do get the blacked out exhaust tips coming towards the back with the Black Widow edition as well. Just gives it that really nice aggressive look. With this being the 19, you do get the updated tailgate to help you get into this beast, because you will need a step to hop up in here. And then you do have a tonneau cover on this truck already as well. Coming on this side, this truck is already equipped with your airbags, and these are remote controlled, so you can do it on a fly from inside the truck, which is a very nice option if you will be towing with it. Coming in though, they do some different touches in here as well. They're going to change out your armrest there. And then they also do change out the dash cluster and give you embroidered headrests as well. These Black Widows are very hard to find, and when they do come on the market, they do sell pretty quickly, just because we haven't been able to order any here lately. At least our dealership hasn't had one in stock in the last 2 years. But without further ado, let's hop in the truck and kind of see how it handles with these bigger wheels and tires with that 6.2 liter. Alrighty, here we are inside the truck. I wish we would have gotten a cold start here for you. It did sound really good. They do a different exhaust on it as well, just a smaller muffler, just to make it sound a little bit throatier for you. Getting in though, you can turn the wheel all the way. No rubbing issues or anything like that with the lift and the bigger wheels and tires. Of course, it's not going to ride like it did when it was brand new off the showroom, because when you do put a lift on there, it does change the ride a little bit. But just pulling out, this is usually a pretty bumpy road, and it feels pretty smooth overall. Inside the truck though, this is a really well equipped SLT. You do have your wireless charging, integrated brake controller here, dual climate control, dual automatic climate control up front here. and it does have built-in navigation here as well. Getting on the highway, barely touching the gas here. Didn't get the RPMs above 2,500 and didn't have an issue doing it, even with the bigger wheels and tires. Truck is also equipped with your sunroof up top here. Right now it's about 97 and sunny here in Colorado, so today's one of those days where I'd rather have the shade shut just to keep it a little bit cooler in here. But it's nice that you have the option to have the shade opened or closed. As again, Black Widow, they do change out your bezel here around the radio as well, just a more blacked out look overall throughout the truck. And with this, you do also have ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, and then this does have your safety packages as well, with your side blind zone alert, emergency braking, everything like that. You do have a 120 volt receptacle here up front for any charging needs, laptop, anything like that if you're working out of the truck. And with the automatic climate control, it's super simple. You just push a button there, but with me having the mic on, I will turn that back down so you don't get drowned out. Truck also does have a rear sliding window, which is really nice on those hot days, just to get it cooled off just a little bit quicker. Just a push of a button up here by your sunroof controls, and it will open and close for you. Nice that you don't have to roll back there and open it up manually anymore. Both passenger and driver seats are power adjusting. That way you can get the seat exactly where you do want it. You also do have your driver 1 and driver 2 presets if there are multiple people driving the truck. This does have your Bose sound system, so it will sound very good. And with that, I'll turn it up a little bit, but I know you can't really tell, but it does sound very good. Has good bass overall, everything like that. Driving this though on the highway, accelerating, passing people, anything like that is not an issue, especially with that 6.2 liter. I'm actually very impressed. I haven't driven a Black Widow with the 6.2 before. They've all been 5.3s for us, and I do have to say there is quite a bit of a difference. Back going towards the climate controls again, there is rear climate back here as well, so you do have your vents and outlets and your USBs back there for your passengers as well. So really, they're not just trying to accommodate your front seat, front driver and passenger. They do care about the rear passengers as well. And with us coming up to this stoplight, I think that will be the end of the video. But if you do have any questions on this truck, again, this is the Black Widow edition. If you have any more questions on what that package entails, please feel free to contact me. The best number for myself is 815-549-9196. Please feel free to text or call that number. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.